At the bottom, click on the plus sign and select Stock Photos. Select the stock photos that you wish to incorporate in your video. Now notice the duration of each stock photo is 5 seconds. So if you want to adjust the duration, go to the top and click on duration. So you can adjust the duration to be longer or shorter depending on your own preference. Now here the maximum says it's 30 seconds long, but you can actually go beyond that. Let's say I want to make this 60 seconds, so a minute. You can do that here as well. 2 minutes, same thing. You can make it even precise by including decimals as well. So that's how you adjust the duration of stock photos. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.